Hey there e-bike fans, in this video I'm going to be unboxing or unwrapping the 61-in-1 accessory kit for Insta360 One R twin camera on this one here. This is from Amazon. I got it for $27.99 and it has 61 different pieces in it, and let's get started. And we'll go through each of these pieces really quick. First of all, we have our clamshell holder case. I believe this is perfect for his here. That's what this is for. So that fits there. And one thing I want to suggest is that we always make sure that you count all the pieces that come through, because this is the second set I got. The first one was actually missing pieces. Another issue that I saw that I had was that this piece here, which is really important for my particular usage, was that this part would not go through a piece that was being used. And this is so that I can put any kind of camera. Not only this, but also for tripods of my other 360 camera. So this is perfect that this works here. And these mounts also, laying these out. There's going to be a bunch of these. More clips here. Let's go ahead and take some of these out. I have a bunch of these screws. And this is, of course, for handlebar mounts. Put on your handlebar, and then with the camera here, actually, this is my 360. We would be able to put this on here, stick this on the handlebars, either going this way. The other kit was actually missing the arm that came off, but with that I could even mount it to any other part of the bike that needs this type of mounting. So that's good there. And although this was for the actual Hero camera when it first was mentioned, I noticed that it all fit nicely. Now this is also for being able to put on the cell phone mount hold. And then this, of course, would fit as well. This is actually a piece of kind of like a sponge, but it's for floating, for the action camera when in the water. And we have more of these. So this is why it was important to have this put here, because then the camera, if it's on the handlebar, your handlebars go this way, the camera needed to be able to face forward like that. So that's why this is kind of important to have this piece, and it was missing in the other kit that I had. So I had to return the other one. And this is to clip like onto a jacket if you need to, but or multiple places. You can actually, this is a huge, very strong clip. Mount your camera there. And this is an adhesive. String. I have to look in the instructions for that. Double-sided adhesive over here as well. Another one of these, so there's two. Put those there. Suction cup mount. You put on a windshield or something just on a flat surface, you can put it on there. And again, even a 360 camera, my other 360 would be able to fit there perfectly. This is another mount there. Sideways, there's two of them. That's really good. But one things I want to point out was this piece was really important for me to have. I mean, to buy these individually is also like about $8 or $9. So this to have in this kit itself already was about a quarter of the cost if I want to buy it separately. Now that is plastic, so that's one thing. Here's one of the keys. I guess from what I've read, some people have a hard time turning these. So with this, you'd have that, and you can twist it and then pull it off when you're done. That's a key there. A little like a lanyard type string. All right. And here's chest mount. Put it over your chest. and then you'd be able to slide one of these once your camera's mounted. There, you'll snap in. So with your chest mount there, you'd be able to wear it that way. The camera will come off pretty quickly, easily that way as well. Let's see what else we have here. Oh, okay, so these are for adhesive, so you can stick them on different places. Double-sided, stick it on here, and this will be able to mount. And then with these, again, you can just snap them in and out where we have it mounted somewhere. Now, all of these are also considered pieces in the kit. Just so these have to be counted when you're counting your kit. This just looks like a holder strap. You can probably strap onto, maybe, I don't know. We'll look at the instructions later. That might be something to look at on the website. Floater handle for when you're going, if you're waterproofing it. You put the camera mounted on here. You can go underwater, and if you let go, it floats. It's plastic. This is kind of like a gorilla type tripod, and of course you can also wrap it. If you have a tree branch and you want to have it wrapped on a tree somewhere, on a pole or on a fence, you can wrap it and then it'll hold your camera up. Or you can just have it as a tripod as well. Oh, now I remember. This is a helmet strap. So you can strap it to your helmet, and then that will go into, your clips will go into there. This is also another type of head strap. You can put it over your head, mount it there. Selfie stick. It's about a yard. And this looks like just another bag of mounting. Yeah, some more mounting straps. Go on there with stickers. There. And this is the wrist. Yeah, this is for wrist holding or strap. These can be put on as well, and you can mount your, so you can have a camera put on there or in other places as well. There's lots of different ways to use that. Oh, this is actually more for the wrist as well. That's for poles. Yeah, this is extra secure that way because it has, you can put it this way, come back around and mount it. Put your camera on top here, and when you ride, that'll hold it in. And this will help. It's kind of a neoprene material. Really cool. All right, so with that, I'm going to count the kit. So all 61 pieces. This is, the case is considered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, it's like actually 2 pieces. So 48 is 2, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And they're probably counting a bunch of these little things. So I think the anti-fog or the anti-56. So this might be about 6 of them, which is 61. Yeah, there's like 6 pieces in there. But I don't want to open this because this is to absorb moisture in there, so I'll leave it that there. All right, so this is the 61-in-1 kit. Again, it's an action camera kit. I have the link below in Amazon, and this is a complete kit, so it will be able to get me going on my e-bike adventures where you'll be able to watch where I'm going and watch where I'm riding. The only thing I'm not seeing is actually an extended handlebar mount, which I don't recall if it was on part of the kit, which is fine because I do have enough of everything else to actually make this work just fine. So once I start getting everything hooked up and watch, we'll be able to see how the actual camera comes out. Again, that's going to be, it'll work for the Hero 3 all the way to Hero 7 and 8. And this is for the Insta360 specifically that I'll be using. And again, the Insta360 comes with this cage mount with the part here. With these pieces, it is completely compatible with this whole kit here. So this for $27.99 on Amazon. Look at the link below. If you're looking at how to get deals on stuff like this or how to save money, check out my other video on how to save money on Amazon or e-bike accessories. And thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, hit subscribe if you want more other unboxings of other accessories that I have. I have a whole mountain full of other accessories we'll be unboxing and going through. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.